Goodbye for now.
Goodbye for now. அது நினைச்சு நான் டிக்கெட் போட்டேன்.
We're leaving.
அது ரொம்ப சீப் மேம். அந்த ஒரு நாள் ஆஃபர் போட்டான்னு போட்டது. இப்போ நான் ப்ரீபோன் பண்ணோம்னா இல்லை
It's quite strong.
Yeah. This is say goodbye to you. No, more rain in the Philippines. I told you. We will not enjoy the rain there. We like the rain here because sometimes Mafi Gaza get rain.
It's raining. Thank you, Khalid. Sorry, it's a little heavy. Thank you. We're in the Hilton again. Deary. What about your bag? It's gonna stay there? Luck. Andito uli kami, pero pauwi na kami. Kasama ko ang yummy. Wala. Ginantuan mo no papapapanan na. Yeah, we're in. Gonna check in. We're gonna check in. Ay, yummy. Uwi na naman. Pero ang bilis ano. I felt like from September to now, it went by fast.
Hindi naman stressful.
Oo. It was stressful, pero like the days went by fast. Oh my goodness. The carpet makes it difficult to pull it. Oh, sige, dito na lang. Sige. So William went to check us in. Wait. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. It's been a while. I've come back here many times. I haven't gone even into the garden. Hello. Hi. I haven't gone to the garden in a long time. This outside is the garden. I like the potteries here, but it scares me sometimes. Thankfully, there's no earthquake here so that these things will come falling. So it's been a while since we had breakfast buffet, but tomorrow we'll be leaving so early, so no time for breakfast. We'll just have breakfast at the airport. I'm in the 6th floor. William is in the 3rd floor. We don't belong on the same floor. Kasi wala na daw bakante. So, we're gonna be in different floors. So, I cannot go to his room. He cannot go to my room. So, we'll just have to meet sa lobby. So that, otherwise, big problem. I think I'm getting, oh no, not the end room, huh? Last time I got the end room. So 648. Wait. Can you take it from my pocket, please? Oh, and I'm back. I'm back to my... Oh, thankfully it's not a bathtub. I hate bathtubs. Wait, mahal ko. I need to settle this one first. Okay. Oh, where did he go? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you around. See you around. Thank you. I need to switch on the lights. I need to switch on the lights. It's on already. All the lights are on. Mood lighting. Everywhere here now is mood lighting. So it's not, it's not as bright. It's no longer as bright as you want it to be. Because everything is mood lighting. Okay? So the only way this place is gonna brighten up is to open the windows. You have to open the windows to make it brighter. So now the room is brighter. And again, I have the usual couch and the circular table. So we're gonna set it up here because so that it won't be against the light. I actually have a lot of things to do.
Bukas magtatabi na tayo.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna remove my jacket. Remove my jacket first. Ouch! I packed up my suitcase last night, and then there were things I forgot. And since I still have some more kilos left, I decided to bring some more stuff to lessen the stuff I need to buy in Manila. So now, I dumped all this extra stuff in my hand carry trolley bag. And because of that, I need to put them in the big bag. So, I need to arrange my luggage again. Kanina mainit sa kotse kahit na naka-aircon. As in, parang halos hindi kayanin ng aircon yung init. Buti na lang, it rained in Miswa. So, it rained in Miswa. It became cooler. Let me have my, where's my alcohol? I have some alcohol. I feel like eating again. I'm hungry again. So it's a quarter before 8 p.m. We're going out for dinner. Since William and I are not on the same floor, so we're gonna meet up at the lobby. I think Francis, a friend of ours who's teaching and living in Hawaii, has come to Oman, and we will be having dinner with him as well. Do you have chicken or beef?
We have chicken, we have beef, if you want pork.
I want the beef one.
This one, madam.
That one. And then do you have the kangkong?
Yes, we have.
Tofu.
Yes, we have.
Okay, that one.
Tofu, kangkong, and
The
bulgogi,
beef.
beef bulgogi.
How about you, Yam? Order.
Yes, I will take it. No problem.
Brent. Halika na. Ako naman maglilibre sa'yo. Halika na. Minsan lang kita na mag-order ka ng gusto mo, Brent. Okay, eto. Grilled beef laureate.
Iced tea na yung drinks mo din, sir.
Yeah. Me, I want Pepsi.
We have fresh juice, ma'am. Baka gusto
Ayoko. Pepsi.
Okay.
Make it a big one.
Small one lang yun.
Pepsi, tapos small one lang. Why? Cannot be upgraded?
Sorry. Only one size for our soft drinks.
Okay, fine.
So, let me repeat your order. 1 kangkong, white, 1 fried tofu, beef bulgogi grill, grilled beef laureate, iced tea, and Pepsi. 10.8.
I'm so full. We went to Chowking for dinner and I ordered a lot. Para kung hindi uuwi ng Pilipinas feeling kasi ang aking in-order kangkong, tofu, and barbecue. But anyhow, I'm so full. I think I need to drink tea again. I'm on my way back to my room. And then I still have to keep on continue packing. I will take a bath later, and then pack up finally after the bath. Bye-bye! Hello and good morning. It is the 14th. So today is my flight. I'm already ready. My bags are packed. We're ready. They're already by the door. I'm just waiting for William to give the signal that we're checking out. And then from here at the Hilton, we will go to the airport. June already sent message that he's already at the airport. So we will be following. And hopefully the queue at the airport won't be as much. Although that will be less probable, I guess, because a lot of expats will be leaving Oman for vacation, and then next week, even starting today, is the Eid holiday. It's a 1-week holiday, 2 weekends, and the work week, so 9 days. So some of the Omanis will even go for Eid vacation somewhere, go abroad somewhere. So the airport is likely to be packed. So we have to go early because the queues will be quite long. So I'm just waiting for William, and then we'll head for the airport. And we're at the airport. Yummy and I. There's Yummy settling his stuff. I have 4 stuff. My pillow, my handbag, my suitcase, and my carry-on trolley. William is there. Inside, we're gonna go to have the luggage wrapped first. I think it's on the leftmost yung wrap na yon. Ay, ayan o. I think that's the one. Protect, oo.
No, how many kg? 30? How about this?
Teka.
Opo.
Tumatawag si Jun. Hello Jun, kararating namin dito. Nandito kami sa may protect your baggage. Sa may check. Saan ka? Okay. Andito kami sa may malapit sa Muscat Pharmacy, yung mga ganan. Magpaparap lang ng sandali.
Okay lang yung timbang.
Okay.
How about itong timbang mo?
Nandyan lang daw siya. Oo. Kaso lang mga, kuwan ko yan, laptop, ganon. Breakfast. We're having breakfast. Oh. Ano sila? Nag-McDo. Ako, but it tastes so nice. Yeah, it tastes so nice. Oo. Kahit tingnan nyo, tikman nyo. So, nandito kami sa, what do you call this? Moving escalator? Ano? What do you call this thing? Kasi straight siya eh. Moving floor.
E-floor.
E-floor. Electronic floor. Hindi namin, ano ang pangalan nito? Walkalator. Ano ba? Ganun ba? O, di ba? First aid booth. A4 doon. A3. Okay. A8. So, diretso pa tayo.
A8?
Oo.
You are approaching the index conveyor.
A8. Uy, ang ganda naman ng effect ng blue light.
Ay,
O, tignan mo, yung blue light. Ganito po, ganito po. Yep. Pansin-pansinin din natin kung may toilet. Meron pa din para mga shops dito. Ayun, A8, no? A6. Maganda pala yung effect ng blue light, oh. Tingnan mo. Parang attractive pala siya sa, pag nag-video. Ano to? Caribou?
Space na maupuan. Ang like the Pilipinas na...
Ay, Diyos ko, makikipag-agawan ka doon na mauupuan mo. Lalo na sa domestic. Parating sikip-sikip.
Right tayo.
Ayun!
Right tayo, te.
Ayun. Ay, andun siya. There it is. Bakit lumili? A8. Andito. Yung CR andito. Andun si Jun, ah. Ang haba ng pila naman. Lord have mercy. Oh, akin na yung bag mo. Para
Mahirapan kami.
Hindi na, okay na. Mahawakan ko po. Hawak lang.
Makipila ka nga rin din.
So nga ron, ikaw, Miss Bon. See, the queue is long. Unfortunately, it's very long. Okay. For departure na po.
Never.
17 years. Parang ang lugi-lugi.
Pero gawin ko naman yan one time.
Sa aeroplano natin yun. Kaso lang, I don't know if it's visible. Daming tao. So, I'm in the plane. Praying it's a safe flight. No bad incidents. 9 hours to go and I'll be home. Parang mood lighting kami ah. Walang ilaw. Tapos kakain na kami. So, having the chicken meal. I just ate like less than 2 hours ago and I'm gonna eat again. Do I even have space in my tummy for this? I don't know if you can see this. It's a little pouch. It's rice. It comes with rice. It looks like biryani. I think it's biryani. Lighting tayo parate. Kada kain, madilim-dilim ng konti. Snacks. Last thing to eat. 2 hours at least until we're done. Or I think already over Cambodia by now.